This is Xiaomi 13, and today I would like to demonstrate you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to begin with, we will need to download and install the free third-party app that is called Caffeine. So, well, just get it from the Play Store. Should be nothing hard. It is a very lightweight application, just under 7 megabytes of space occupied. So as you can see, it gets set up in instance. Then simply launch the app. Make sure that the timeout section was set to the infinite value. And as long as the Caffeine app is active and running in the background, so make sure not to turn it off, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.